Good morning. Here we are in beautiful Newport Beach on a rainy day. Yay, California. And it took us 4 days to redo this floor. This is a walnut floor. We just got started. It was a bit of a different tone, a little more reddish tone. You might have seen what it looked like in the original video or in the photos. But it took us, again, roughly 4 days to sand this out, smooth it, and restain and finish. That is the main living area. And this is only a small section of the house. We still have the entire upstairs to do. But here's the kitchen. Heading towards the garage, you have a bedroom. Bathroom that they're redoing, but then you can see we redid the floor as well. Now if we follow, whoop, that's a strange little freeze. If we follow this around, you will see where we did a small little pantry right here. Let me turn on the light. I thought I did already. Whoops, there it is. This pantry leads to this large area right here. And we have the interesting part of this entire house, at least so far, was this one room over here where the flooring is still walnut, but of a different design. A lot of crisscross, a lot of angles. But you can see it came out really smooth, really nice. Now we're still working on the upstairs, starting today. That should take another couple of days to finish. But as you can tell, this came out really beautiful. I mean, really beautiful.